Make sure you stay till the end. We'll talk about 2 common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the airbag control module is located. Stay with us, we'll explain that. You actually have up to 2 fuses that you need to check. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when working on airbag system. Consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video, because airbags, if you're not qualified and certified to work on them, they can practically kill you guys. So very dangerous situation. We'll explain about common mistakes people make. Make sure to stay tuned at the end, we'll cover all that today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge or any vehicle, you want to get them at a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's continue now. So most people guys will assume one thing, okay, that the fuse is somewhere in the fuse box under the hood. It should cover V6, V8, specifically we have a 2008 year model, but fuse is not in that fuse box. When working on these new vehicles guys, many of you requested in the comment section below to share actually good diagnostic tool for those. You can see this is the tool that we use daily here at the garage, works on Dodge and almost any car you can think of. We'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check current price and features, but it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use, and you can access every computer system, read codes, delete codes, and see live data. And some of those new cars, they have up to 50 computers guys, so definitely you need one of those. So you will need to open the trunk on your dot charger. You need to lift up the trunk liner, and here is the car battery. When working on airbag systems guys, it's recommended to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour before you start removing fuses, airbags or anything like that. If you're not qualified and certified, do not work on them. Consider this entertaining video only guys, for any purpose. Another common mistake, people don't often do that, but it's recommended to disconnect the car battery for almost every fuse and relay replacement. Number 3, people do not know, but there is a specific order in which battery terminal to disconnect first and which battery terminal to reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics, modules, computers. How we know that? We burn the airbag computer module on Mercedes guys, that cost us $2,000. There is a fuse box right here that we're going to remove. You're going to press here and pull it out. You can see just like that. That's where now guys you have fuses, okay? You will have multiple fuses now here. Now, common mistake people make, they do not test fuses and relays. Always test them, because sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is bad. Sometimes it may seem fine, you put it back in and you'll start spending time and money to fix a problem that practically doesn't exist. So we'll recommend to test fuses, relays. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. The first fuse that we'll need to check is known as fuse number 58 guys. 58. You wonder where? Okay, let us show you. I'm going to remove that relay right here so we can get to it. And the first fuse that we have is that fuse right here. Check this thing out. That 10 fuse before that space here. That fuse is for airbags right there. The other fuse that you will need to check, okay? Let me just position the relay. This relay, by the way, relay 29 is the run accessory relay. Okay, perfect. You have one more fuse that you need to check. The next fuse guys, okay, it's known as fuse number 65, and we're talking about this fuse right here. So if you look at them, they're next to each other. This is airbag fuses guys, right there. Okay, these 2 fuses that you need to check. Make sure the car battery is disconnected. Wait at least 1 hour before doing that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.